I'm just up London. I'm still, well, obviously from the Trooping of the Colours. Just having a little walk off my beaten track, and I came across this quite nice old store. It's an umbrella store, but quite nice. Don't know how much filming I'm going to do today, because I've already done a lot this morning. Dagger canes. You won't see them, or sword sticks. I mean that is a nice shop. And pretty old. Right, I am going to go down this way. Not sure, but maybe the British Museum, that's what I'm hunting for. So I might go down that way in a minute. It's probably the man I saw him in the park. Because he had a big one. Alright. Let's go over. A little bit of a Japanese, Chinese town there a bit. And a bit obviously, alright. That's cool. Is it still trading? But I'll tell you one thing, it's not open today, if it is. I would say that's closed down, probably. Alright, let's cross over the road. That is the British Museum down there, so that's where I'm actually going to go in. That's quite nice. Over 100 years old. So what we're going to do is... I want to go in one of them. We're going to go down there. Just down there is the British Museum. Well, I want to go in. Don't know how much I'll be able to film, if any. Let's get off the road. Alright. Pretty suspect down there. And down. That's quite nice as well. Alright, let's get over. The museum shop. Alright. Well, I'm not sure if I can actually go in there today or not. Looks like lots of people queuing. So maybe I can't go in. That's a shame, I wanted to go in. Huh. Well, I won't be going in. Looks like you need tickets, even if it's still free. So, well, won't be going in. Not today anyway. Mega busy. I reckon it's because of what is today. So, London is busy because of it, so, yeah. Another day. Alright. So a little film around here. It's like that's during the time we did. There's like this. Wow. Don't know if you can read that writing. Alright, I'm gonna go down there. I'll go on a scooter if I want, but I like to walk, get my step count up. It'll make it so much easier just jumping on one of them. Alright. Well, first floor I saw. I've never been behind this bit. So because I saw on the front they said there's another entrance. There's a lot of queuing. So might be able to get in this way a bit more quicker. Does look a lot more better. I'm just hoping you don't need tickets. It's been used in a couple of films, like we know. Night in the Museum, number 3 I believe, and obviously Doctor Strange. From the one that just came out, Multiverse of Madness. So actually it's quite funny coming to a different entrance, actually, because I've never been this way. It's quite interesting the lighting. Oh, never been for this entrance. And no, still don't need a ticket. Very strange. No, hold on. Oh, that's big. You may recognise this bit. This is a bit that's filmed in Doctor Strange. Stairs go down. Well, the way I normally come in, I'm going out. Seems funny coming through the back and coming out the front. I mean, it is an impressive building. I didn't film a lot in it, or take a lot of photos. So if you're in Britain and you're in London area, come and have a look yourself. That's what I thought. Quite a nice old shop again. Probably been here for a long time. Souvenir Press Limited. Obviously not now. Bubble tea, certainly popping up everywhere now, isn't it? And like American candy stores, they're popping up bloody everywhere as well. There used to be a comic shop on near Great Russell Street. I went to it years and years ago. Ding dongs. I'll be buying off it for half the prices in the States. That's an awful Paddington pair. That's a better one, but not much better. Now that's a hotel. Should I go down that way? Or that way? We go the other way. I can see that. Hit the lamppost. I've not actually caught any buses or underground or anything yet. I know where I am, and you may do if you just look down the road. Love to know what happened to that comic shop. Probably closed down years and years ago. So Oxford Street is literally just behind there. So yeah, and I'm just walking back to the train station. I've virtually walked all the way today. It's quite interesting. I'm just in Green Park, I believe. Quite busy. Not as busy as it would have been early on probably. If I had energy still, I probably would go back there and see what the difference is, but I ain't got energy. There was too crowded on the bus, so I got off and decided to walk. And too hot. So yeah. Hyde Park, not Green Park, I got it wrong. See, I'm not that good at knowing my parks. Green Park is that one over there. See, they are next door to each other, literally. Oh. Alright, I'm just exiting Hyde Park and well, probably be walking into Green Park. Alright, I am actually near the mall again. Thought I filmed this bit. So actually I might actually even have a little nose. I'll just go that way, I'll head back towards Victoria. Well, had a look, but it wasn't the one that I was on, it was the side one. Should have realised that. I'm just walking back to Victoria Station. It's not bad. It'd be nice if I find a little Tesco's or a little supermarket that I can buy a drink, because I can really murder a drink. I'm gassing, even water. Anyway, let's get back to walking. Ah, look, treed. Another war monument. But let's cross the road so I don't get run over. I've may have filmed this one before.
Yep.
That bit's the First World War. That's second. And these must be in Napoleon area, but you can't see that right. It's even me shot in the eye. And on that note, see you later. The vlog is off, finished, done all. And I'll see you later. See you another day. Been a nice day, once a lifetime thing. I want to sneeze, well, I've got a bit of hay fever. Oh, there you. And well, give me a thumbs up, please share. I may have missed that, so Victoria is right over there. Right over there. So that's it, I'm done. See you later. Bye.